How to know clicks to your website. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how many people click on your website easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there and go to your page. Once you are here, you're gonna find that list and click on overview. Scroll down and you're gonna find Insight. Click on See All and scroll down. Here you're gonna find Click to Your Website. Instead of that 0, you're gonna find a number. That number is clicks to your website on your page. And this is it, guys. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video or if it was helpful to you.